Welcome to the Track My Guys WorkPodium video demonstration. In this video, we will be reviewing the Timecard section. Let's get started. In Timecard, all of your employees' names will be listed here, including their department. Here, you have an overview of all your employees' names and their respective departments. You can conveniently filter by department, and your employees will automatically be organized accordingly. After selecting an employee, you'll have access to all their recorded punches. You can also choose any desired time period to review their punch records. Once you select an employee, you can access their assigned job location, when they checked in, and when they checked out. You can also see how many hours they worked, the lunch deduction, and total hours, including the deduction. Here, you can also see the gross pay that the employee earned that day. On the Edit tab, you can access receipts that the employee added on the application. You can add a boss comment, assign the employee to a different job location, edit their hours, and delete this punch when needed. To edit the punch, click on Edit. Here you can change the start and end date and time. You can also change the time that they checked in and when they checked out that day. Here, you can also disable or enable the lunch deduction whenever you need. To create a new punch for your employee, click on the Add New Punch button on the upper right-hand side. Here, you can select your desired job location. You can select the date that they worked that job, and you can add the time that they started and the time that they finished their job. Click Save, and you have just created your new punch. To add a new boss comment, click on Edit, then select Boss Comment. You can then include any notes or remarks you wish to remember about this day or job. Hit Save, and you have just successfully created a boss comment. That concludes our Timecard overview. We trust that this video has been informative and helpful to you. Thank you for joining us for this tutorial. We hope you found the information valuable and that it helps you in all your endeavors. If you have any questions or need further assistance, please feel free to reach out and contact us. Thank you for choosing our platform.